Ye rambling boys of pleasure, give ear unto these words I write. I own I am a rover, and in rambling I'll take great delight. I set my heart on a handsome girl, and oftentimes she does me slight, and my mind is never easy, only when my love is in my sight. Down by yon flowery gardens, where me and my true love do meet, I held her in my arms, and to her I gave kisses sweet. She bade me take life easy, just as the leaves grow from each tree. But I, being young and foolish, with my true love did not agree. The second time I saw my love, I swore her heart was surely mine. But as the weather changes, my darling girl, she changed her mind. Gold is the root of evil, the more it wears a glittering hue, causes many's the lass and lad to part, though their hearts like mine be e'er so true. I wish I was in Dublin town, and my true love along with me. Money in my pocket to keep us in good company, liquor to be plentiful, a flowing bowl at every side. Hard fortune ne'er could daunt me, for I am young and the world is wide.